In November 2015, Feiyu-Tech launched the G4 Pro smartphone handheld gimbal in Apple stores around the globe. It leads the world's trend of handy phone stabilizers that allow for one-handed operation. Users can create steady, smooth, and high-quality 4K videos with their phones. Splendid moments and ingenious creativities are recorded more easily than ever. Today, we will introduce the latest smartphone handheld gimbal, the Feiyu-Tech SPG. Symbolic full aluminum alloy body with advanced surface processing enables unprecedented tactical comfort. With only 350 gram net weight, the SPG is perfect for long-time one-handed holding. An adjusting knob on the motor arm replaces conventional counterweights and caters for phones of all weights and sizes through a tool-less sliding motor arm. The evolved anti-shake algorithm and upgraded battery set extend the SPG's runtime up to 8 hours, an industry-leading stamina. Setting gravity center for your phone is simple as loosening the knob, sliding the motor arm to find the perfect balance, and tightening the knob. With the new design that enables larger mounting capacity, you can actually add accessories to your phone to make even better shots. Switching between modes and changing camera directions can be accessed with the function button and joystick on the handle. The SPG also allows for vertical screen gesture. You can film or make live video with it. Tilt your phone over 55 degrees to either side for 2 seconds to enable vertical screen mode. The large threshold keeps it away from accidental activation. The SPG can connect to your phone via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can control your phone's shutter with the shutter button on the handle. The newly released Feiyu On app provides various features such as remote control, configuration, and firmware update. Let's see how the SPG works. The foldable SPG can perfectly fit in your backpack. The intuitive user interface is friendly for users of all ages. The handle is covered with a silica material. It's comfortable even after a whole day's grip. During filming, you can charge the SPG with your power bank through its built-in USB port. Unlimited applications and wide accessory compatibility create enormous room for your imagination. Everyone can find his unique way to realize their ideas with the SPG. Beyond smartphones, the SPG even works fine with action cameras. By using special accessory, you can install your action camera vertically or horizontally. Feiyu-Tech. Create more possibilities.